In this video, you will learn how to get Expedia promo codes. First, sign up. Sign up for Expedia's One Key program. Join the free program and unlock exclusive member prices, cashback rewards, or up to 10% off at exclusive hotels. As you accumulate points, you can access additional perks, such as free room upgrades, price drop protection, and cashback. Subscribe to Expedia's newsletter. By subscribing to the newsletter, you will receive 10% discounts on your first few bookings, along with early access to flash sales and even exclusive offers. Download the Expedia mobile app. Booking through the app may often provide mobile-only discounts, including up to 20% off selected hotels. Additionally, the app can also earn double One Key cash points on bookings. Check third-party deal websites. Websites like T3 and Triplo regularly list current Expedia promotional codes, such as 8% off or 10% off selected bookings. These codes can often be applied during checkout to save you a lot of money. Utilize the referral program. Expedia offers referral discounts, such as £25 or $30 off your first hotel booking when you sign up through a friend's referral link. Ensure you meet the minimum spend and booking requirements to qualify for the referral program. Now you know how to get promo codes, discount codes and coupon codes for Experian. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.